Okay, so this is my bike check. I got a 2011 Verde Lux. I got some custom parts on it. So yeah, I bought the complete bike and then put it together with some new stuff. I don't know, mix it up. Starting from the top, I got the Fly Bikes Pantera bars in light gray. Pretty cool. I got Animal Edwin grips in black. I like Edwin grips. So does everybody else, but yeah, they're alright. They got purple Animal Edwin bar ends. You know, they're pretty sick. Pretty stiff, but I used to have the Odyssey ones, bar ends. But these are pretty good. Going down here, I got Shadow Conspiracy attack stem in purple. It's a nice stem, really good. I would recommend it, but I don't think they make this anymore. Stock forks. The bike came with Cinema 777 rims, double wall. It also came with Duo stunner tires. They're pretty good tires. So it's like, you know, the bike almost came custom. Over here I got a stock frame, full chromoly stock frame. Odyssey 12 bolt cranks. That also came with the bike, and I would have bought them anyways because they're sick cranks. Odyssey twisted pedals. These are really good too. Odyssey twisted pedals, or the Shadow Conspiracy Ravager pedals. I would have put those on, but I just happened to get these. Same tire in the back, dual stunner tire. Same rim, Cinema 777. You know, stock wheel set, all that junk, and then turn it around. Verde React sprocket came with the bike, and got some crappy ass chain that came off my bike because my other one snapped, and I don't do chain stuff, so I just threw on a different chain. And then for the seat, I got an E-clat. If you could see right here, it's like imprinted E-clat combo seat. I think it's the Unify seat combo, and that's about it. And some caution tape, and bottom bracket stock, and headset stock. That's about everything. Thanks.